Hey guys, it's Sam and George back with another video.
And for today's video, we're gonna be making slime. Okay guys, so the ingredients that we're gonna use, because a lot of people use different ingredients for slime. We're gonna use Elmer's glue, shaving cream, and you're also gonna need an activator. So I put the baking soda already, and contact solution, and detergent. After you have the glue poured into the bowl, we're gonna pour the activator, but you just put like little by little, and then if you need more, you just start putting like more. Chill.
That's crazy. It's
And it should start like sticking together. You just need to keep mixing it, and it'll start like making. See, and then like start playing with it like that too, cause it'll. Okay, guys, so mine's starting to like form. Oh yeah, sorry.
Estoy diciendo que my spoon broke.
Look.
Look at mine, and then look at his.
Look, you guys. So as you guys can see, mine's already formed. It's not coming out of the plate. Okay, now mix it. Okay, guys, so already like created, and it's still like white because of the glue. And we're gonna put the shaving cream first.
Yeah, I wonder what it tastes like though.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, we mix it?
Yeah. It makes it more smooth and more fluffy, they say.
Like this in your mixing.
I mean, I did.
Is it easier or what?
I mean, yeah, look, it makes it more easier. But it makes your hands just more fluffy. You guys got patience. Look,
I know we
look, now
don't.
it's back to normal.
What the hell?
But more fluffier.
I don't have patience.
So we're gonna go ahead and start with the food coloring. So what color do you guys want? Neon
Nikita
blue,
brown.
neon yellow.
I'm down for neon blue.
I'm gonna use yellow. But mix it first. Don't when you put the food coloring, mix it before you play with it. Yeah, because it'll. I mean, your hands are still gonna get full of it, but just not as much. Look, see. So now mine's green, dark green.
What the
What are you put like something in two colors?
Okay, look. See, now my hands aren't painted as green as they would have been. Okay, guys. So here's my slime. It's pretty badass.
Oh, it's purple, it's not even pink.
Mine came purple.
Oh my god, mine became Kakita brown, guys.
Ew.
I like hers.
Kaya look, mas kami na hello pretty guys. Kaya
Mine looks like shit.
Okay, guys. So look, as you guys can see, it's making as it should be. So I told my best friend to mix it enough into before she touched it, because then that happens to your hands with the food coloring. See, as you guys can see, mine are like kind of green, but not as
Look at how
much
pretty
because
this is
I
looking
mixed
now.
it in the bowl before I actually started playing with it. So I'm putting more neon yellow, I guess.
Why does it keep breaking? My slime.
And just keep mixing it until it, now it's better.
Dude, I like mine.
I like the texture of this slime. Since it's like already made, I'm gonna add more shaving cream. Do you guys want more shaving cream? Okay guys, so we just finished, and hers looks like Donald Trump. I like this color, beige.
It's peach.
Peach. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment of what we should do for our next video.
We love you guys.
Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
De pura curiosidad le dio un jalón. lo peor del caso fue que me gustó y ahora no quiero bajar. Siempre grifo me verán. Soy el morro que a los 14 años en la mafia se enredó. Coroné mi primer jale y me soltaron pa' llenarles un camión. Y empecé a meterle goles a los gringos. Del gobierno paso de